robots creating art, right? Like they're not doing it right now. Right now, people still prefer artists, but they are getting to that point. Is what is happening even in the art world. Not even talking about the cooking world. Even in like movie making and stuff, they're already getting to that point where they can do it. You remember that website where like they just write stories for you if you give a prompt? Remember, bro? You were like checking that
But
out.
it
Like it's
again
not
that
perfect yet, but like the possibility is scary. Like it's there, right? That's what I'm
yeah, but
saying.
again, like I think that's the again he focused a lot on the food part without mentioning the fact that it's happening to literally every industry. Believe me, I'm not saying AI is going to
Yeah,
overtake.
but why would he talk about other industries if he's making a food show, right?
No, but
Like, what
again,
do you
it
expect?
wasn't about him. It wasn't about the people in general. A lot of it went to pro chefs who are very, very established right now. That was the only part which I felt like it was really, really weird. Because he's like,
Which I,
this pizza,
yeah,
I
which
can
is
I
an
can feel
aspect
your
you can
story through
explore.
pizza. I'm like, of course you can hear her story through pizza. She's been making it for
Yeah,
years. She's a pro chef. She's not a random
yeah, of
pizza
course you
tosser in
can. Yeah,
Domino's who can be replaced. They were making it sound as if these top chefs were like in danger of losing their jobs because robots are
yeah,
coming in.
no, it's not like in danger, but that is a possibility. Like top chefs in the future may get to that point
It's
if
really
technology
not.
improves
It's
like
really
this.
not because
It's
What if?
happening in
What
art
if?
and movies and story
yeah, but
making.
yeah,
It
but
can
see,
go
here's the
there.
thing: when you have a machine made for something, see, at the end of the day, food is something physical. It's not something that can be done on a virtual machine or a virtual desktop or anything like that, right? So if you have a machine built for making one thing, it'll make one thing. It can make the best fries you'll ever have, but it can't make like
Yeah, yeah,
100
of
different
course.
things.
No, it can do one job. Yeah, of course.
Yeah, so you can't have 100 machines sitting inside
Based
a
on
restaurant
function.
making all the dishes that pro chefs actually have the ability to make, right? Like, can you imagine Gagan
Yeah, no,
Anand
you
being
won't have
replaced
one
by a fucking
machine making
robot?
everything.
There is no
No,
way one
see,
machine is
right
going to
now, of
make
course
everything.
not. See, even if you talk about the art world, I don't think robots can make films or anything as good as humans can. I still say, like, I don't see
Of
it
course,
happening.
yeah,
Like, even in the future, I don't see that happening. I think humans will always have a handover like
of
that,
course.
because robots are created for like a specific function. And, even if AI, the self-learning, whatever, they still are for like the Go AI. It's only it only plays Go.
Of
That's
course.
what it's the best at. It doesn't like it's not good at chess. It doesn't even know what the fuck that is,
Yeah.
right?
Assuming something like the Terminator happens, where there is like
That's not
bots.
gonna happen, dude.
No, okay, you know
Assume.
what? Say for the sake of argument, if
We,
the
we, we,
Terminator
assume, we could have assumed
happens.
like 20 years back saying that computers wouldn't be able to do jack shit. We could have told a random person like computers are going to make artwork better than most artists today. 20 years back, that was a ludicrous idea, but here we are. So assume that the
But it
Terminator
doesn't make
situation
better.
happens.
No, but even assuming that it can, okay, hold on. Even if assuming that a robot can whatever the fuck you want it to do, your life itself is going to be so different.
Yeah,
Oh wait,
Did he die?
I can hear you guys just fine. Can you hear me?
Uh-huh.
yeah. You're back.
Yeah, I'm saying like life itself will be so different in the sense that Jeff Bezos is going to be ruling everybody, and his robots are going to enslave you anyway. So you don't need to care about like artisanal food. You don't need to care about like artisanal drinks or art and all that shit. You're just going to be a slave. So
Yeah,
at that
exactly.
point, all art is dead. When Jeff Bezos and Elon Musk take over the world completely, nothing matters. Everything is dead.
Yeah, nothing matters.
I'm pretty sure
The
they'll
Jeff
keep like
Empire.
the best chefs for themselves and then be like, well, the other idiots can just go eat a can of Amazon
Yeah,
basics.
that's what I wanted to say. If like
lasagna
top
or
chefs
something.
in the distant
Eat
future
like
will be
a
like
pig
a
or some shit,
rare
yeah.
resource, and like only the masses will get like robots for chefs, and the big boys will only get the top chefs. Gordon
like
Ramsay will be
the-
reserved for Elon Musk.
See, it's not gonna get to the stage of like the maid from the Jetsons, like
Yeah,
we used to
nothing
just
like
do
that.
whatever.
So one second,
it's not
one
gonna
second, we're
get to
going
that
on
stage.
too long
Jetsons
without
are
reading
fucking
anything.
crazy, okay.
Control NK says robots are creating art. Creative coding is a thing and also has a market.
Yeah,
Not
they
as pro
are.
as real artists, though. It can make 100 different things. AI can do such things. The current state is just not good enough. Imagine Gordon Ramsay being replaced by AI, says Random Mutako. See, Control NK, the thing is, you need a machine you need a physical being that can handle all those tasks. And flipping burgers is like a million times easier than actually going from start to finish for a dish. It is going to be near impossible to get, at least in this guy's lifetime, it's going to be near our lifetime also. It's going to be near impossible to get a machine that can do everything from start to finish and can make 100 different dishes from start to finish. Like, I can't imagine a freaking physical robot going from making beef Wellington to suddenly making pasta or something like that. It's going to be really freaking hard.
Not that. Of course, they'll be created like a burger place will have a robot that creates burgers, no, not pizzas.
Yeah, it's all going to be fast food. Like, as Randa Motaku said, imagine Gordon Ramsay being
fast food in lots of places. But the thing is, most people don't eat. Like, most people eat fast food over over that fancy pizza. Most people eat Domino's, like I was saying, right?
Yeah, but the thing is, like, the fancier places still get a lot of money. Look at Mumbai. Fancy places in Mumbai get so much money, even though we're a very poor country.
I was looking into restaurants. The fancy restaurants are in, unless like you're breaking it like Gagan Anand and all these guys, all of them are in loss. All of them are always in loss. Like, you never ever profit as like a restaurant owner.
I think it really depends on which restaurant you're talking about, because
the mass-produced joints, the mass-produced like these Domino's and stuff, they're way richer than like the mid-level restaurant owners, Yeah, and like even I saw a documentary on like is it worth making ramen in Japan like a few weeks ago, okay? And they were talking about most ramen shops in 3 years they die, and the ones that survive, they keep suffering because you're like basically the amount you earn, the amount of money you earn running a ramen shop is below minimum wage, and you're working like almost 6 days a week the whole day, right?
No, but see, that's again a problem.
I think it's worth owning a ramen shop unless you do it for the love of ramen, because it's a loss forever.
Yeah, but none of that is only specific to the food industry, is my point. It's literally everywhere. Like, if you look at any other place to work,
it's not anywhere.
Yeah, if you start a company today, there's a 90% chance you're going to fail. Right?
No, but we are talking about the food industry. That's why I mentioned.
Yeah, I know, but
I'm not going outside that.
I know, but I'm saying like the way the narrative was shown in the first episode, it was like
food.
Yeah, but it was like, oh my god, us ultra rich chefs are like losing our jobs, and I'm like, no, you're really not.
No, I didn't see it that way. I don't know why you saw it that way, so exaggerated, because I didn't see it that way.
They literally just talk about how stories with food should always be preserved.
No, for me, it was just starting a conversation about like technology and food, and that's it.
Yeah, but it seemed like a very privileged conversation.
I don't think so. It was
like
just
people who have like so much and they're thriving in life right now are like, you know what, our jobs are going to be taken over by machines. And I was like,
but they don't have a lot. That's what just because they possibly have more than you, that doesn't mean they have a lot.
They definitely have more than me. And if
you don't know other people's situations, so you're assuming they're doing better.
You're telling me David Chang has money problems.
Yeah, he talked about it in the third episode.
But you're honestly telling me David Chang is not thriving.
Yeah, he may. Why not? Dude, a lot of billionaires like declare bankruptcy, and you can't be like, oh, because you're a billionaire, you can't be bankrupt. It's possible. That
is literally just a way for them to avoid something to do with the government, I'm sure. Also, Santal Renke says if it is possible, robots with multiple mobility axes are improving and also being used in today's date to solve the Rubik's Cube. Yeah, but when it comes to, I just can't see it happening when it comes to a restaurant where you need the speed, you need the efficiency, and you need the ability to cook everything, a multitude of things properly. I think it's going to take decades and decades before robots actually take over human, because at that point you're doing everything a human has to do. So it's going to be really difficult.
You're replacing everything, yeah. And